Yeah, hi. Here we are for our training video for beet and goat cheese salad. First we're going to start off with our prep. So we have beautiful mint here, fresh mint. Here is dill. We picked for that already, meaning we took already the mint leaves off of our thick stems. So just have the leaves here. So I'm going to roughly chop over my mint leaf. I have about like ½ inch gaps in between each cut. The other one I'm gonna do the other way here. Beautiful. So we really don't want to chop this mint too much because then the herbs stay nice and vibrant. I'm gonna pop them in there. The same pretty much we're gonna do with our mint. Took the thick pieces off. There are a few more in there. Can take them out. Very nice. The dill you want to chop a little bit finer because it tends to get stuck otherwise in your throat. Also, just making sure you're wearing your cutting glove, like I am doing here. So chop this over. The recipe for this herb mix is 3 ounces of dill and 2 ounces on the mint, and that's on your prep guide, so please take a look. So these herbs, this amount of herbs, what you can see here, this is exactly for 10 salads. Get rid of this. Let's toss this. So that means if you sell of the current grain salad, perhaps 20 grain salad, then you will need about like two of those quarts of herb mix. So wonderful. I'm gonna pop this right here. So let's go over our other bread is the pickled onions, which you get from the commissary, but they are kind of large pieces, so we're gonna chop this like very similar to the mint into 1/4 inch pieces. So this is it already. Not a big deal. Now for our next prep we have our kale. That's pretty much the kale size. What we are looking for is like 1 inch, like small pieces of like kale. You can see this here. Wonderful. We have this already weighed out in our salad bowl. Yeah. Then you can prep this very much so. Like I said, if your pour is about 20 salads, you're gonna prep 20 of those. Then our bulgur with the vegetables and the herbs come from the line. So this is warm. The beet and orange salad comes from our line too, which is warm too. Our herb mix, which we just prepped just before, our onion, which we chopped a little bit. Then we have some capers, olive oil, salt in the shaker, and pepper in the mill, and our goat cheese, which is a new item, and we have our smoky hot sauce here, and also we have our lemon here. So the dressing for this salad is actually only olive oil and lemon, because as you know, the bulgur and the red beet and orange salad is already dressed. So let's make our salad. So we put our 1 ounce of kale in there. Then we go on the line with our spoodle. We're gonna get 2 spoodles of bulgur in there, 3 spoodles of our beet and orange salad. So it's easy to remember when you do your training. It's 1 ounce of kale, 2 of the burger and 3 spoonfuls of the beet and orange salad. So it's 1, 2, 3. So the next item is our herb mix, dill and mint. Nice 1/4 cup in here. 1/4 cup of the onions. Then 1 tablespoon of the kale. Now we come to the lemon juice. Gonna squeeze a whole half lemon in there. Want to make sure everything comes out there. Then with our extra virgin olive oil, we're going to go 3 times around. 1, 2, 3. Going to do 2 shakes of salt and good 3 turns of fresh pepper. And then we're gonna toss this away. So good mixing is necessary, at least 20 seconds, at least, to get a nice mix into this salad. Beautiful, looking already good here. Now I'm ready to put this into my bowl. Want to make sure I'm getting everything out there. So now lastly I'm going with my goat cheese on top of the salad, and this is a 1/4 cup. Now the goat cheese wants to be like really refrigerated. Here in our case that's already a little bit warmed up, so it's not as simple. But if this goat cheese is kept really cold, you can put it right and easy on top of the salad, meaning it's not as smeary as here right now. And lastly, we're gonna put a couple dots, like the volume of 1 tablespoon of our smoky hot sauce on top. Not too much, just about 1 tablespoon. And here we have our goat cheese, beet and goat cheese salad.